Tell me, what exactly is manufacturing?
Manufacturing, it's the mass production of goods, products, widgets, gizmos, things, making things in volume.
So tell me, what exactly is Act 1?
In Act 1 in manufacturing, I design a product and I share that with the students, and then we use that product to focus all kinds of learning activities around what the heck is manufacturing and how do you mass produce something. So the students produce all the jigs and the fixtures and the tooling, and we kind of go through it as a class and ultimately make a whole bunch of that product and learn about production systems along the way.
And now, after that, what is Act 2?
2 is very open-ended. Act 2, the team designs their own product. Can really be anything, but they develop it, they design it for production, and then they figure out how to mass produce that thing. So they develop the process along with the product. They make the prototype, they test it, and then they go through an awful lot of problem solving to actually create a production system to mass produce 99 of those things.
For Act 2, Timber Inc. did wood-turned pen and pencils out of reclaimed wood and customized cases.
For Act 2, Lakeside Standard decided to create diploma frames for ourselves and graduating seniors.
For Act 2, the Pallet Pals chose to produce the Beer Buddy, an upcycled wooden carrying crate for 4 packs of beer.